yan eh. Maglakad ka. Maglalakad mo ba? Tatakbo yan. Buti pa yung isa yun. Kaya na, ay, come. Maghahanap kami ng aming kakainan. There you go. Ay, ang ganda ng mga trees. Hi, Chase! Welcome to Japan! Naalala ko tayo nun. This is where we stay. Such a nice house. Diba? Ang lakas yaman. Char. Ganda. Heading to our room. There. Madam. So chill. So relaxing. Sarap buhay. Dito ka natitira na? Ito ay magiging Baguio residence na. Bet? Ando na. Chase! Hi! Happy birthday to you! Aba! Nanood siya, oh. Isa naman, umaakyat, oh. Chase! Ay, Chadwin! Umakyat na! Baka malaglag, ah! Mga pagod na. Walking. Kaya pagod. Coding ang aming car. Naglakad hanggang makasakay ng taxi. Gutom na kami. Anong tawag dito? Lunch and early dinner. Tulog ang aming magandang prinsesa. Oh. Dito kami sa Grumpy Joe. We're waiting for our food. Let's see if the food is nice. Kasi maraming tao. Oh my God. Yan yung sa'yo, buffalo mo. Eh, hungry na. Gulat na gulat ka pa. Take out. Food. Let's eat. Sa mga tomjo. Ayan, Caesar salad. Grumpy Joe. And carbonara. Cake panghalo. Malaking tinidor. Love it. Dad, kaya mo to, Daddy? Ganyan, pag inubos mo yung Sky, di ka na makakalakad. Yummy na. Ayan na yung ano natin, cordon bleu. Sabi mo yung bago dyan. Let's eat. Bon appetit. Hi, Chase.
Ate pa siya. pala di tayo kumain ng ano eh. Maaga eh.
Kasi nga,
Alimaw pala mo.
ang laki ng serving nila here. We are here at Grab Joe. See? Oh. Sulit ang food. Gising na ang prinsesa. Ay! Ano yan? Ang ganda ng gising. Ha? Ano? Ang ganda ng gising. Gising ka, baby. Dumi mo na, anak. Yung jacket niya na green, dala ko yata eh. Kasi nga nagda-diet ka. Ala! Nako, wala na talaga. Natuluyan na. My gosh! Tingnan mo nga na kung nandiyan yung green na jacket. Pinag-aabang. Charvin, Innova na white. Grab. Parating na. Dance. Go. Ano ba yung dance na ano? Welcome to Burnham. Ayan na po kami. Tumatawid ang mga bagets. They want to play. Biking and ever. Whatever. Ah? Diba? Baka makulong yan. Magkano kuya? Solo? Meron din yung may angkasan. Ikaw dyan, tingnan mo, baka mangalay ka. Kaya ba ng paa mo? Try mo. Saan mo punta? Grabe siya. Bye. Okay, o kaya mo? Wait lang, di. Kung tayo may sidecar, ikaw magdadrive. Ayun, dalawa pala dyan. Wala ba seatbelt yung isa? Sama ako? Chase? Lian? Brum brum? Ayaw umalis. Nagagahalin pag sila kay ayaw umalis. Go! Nahirapan ka? Gusto mo mas maliit? Inalis na. Ito. O, diba? Mas madali. Mas bagay sa'yo. Maliit ka kasi. Bye! Go! Tinutulak ka. Ate yan eh. Go, 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 go. Come here. Come here, Chase. Go. Si Sky, di ko nakikita. Oo. Go. Hi, Chelsea. Puro lawa. Pamunas ka, Teatan.
Can you come?
Ito pala kayo. Ito sa leeg niya, sa leeg. nababasa yung damit eh.
Waking when the sun's down, riding all these highs, waiting for the calm down. Walk these streets with me, I'm doing decently.
Halika na,
Just
let's
glad
go.
that I can be.
Ipapakita ko kay
Yeah.
Kate. Ay no,
I'm
mamaya
trying
makikita
to
niyo.
realize
Isa na naman.
it's alright to
Bagong. Ay, ganda
not be
dito sa ang
fine
entrance ng park.
on your own. Now I'm shaking, drinking all this coffee.
Choo-choo
These
train.
last few weeks have been
You want to go to
exhausting.
slide?
I'm lost in my
wanna slide?
imagination, and there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? Yeah. And there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? Ain't got much to do. Too old for my hometown. Went to bed at noon.
Dito
Couldn't put
mababaw
my
lang oh.
phone down.
Diyan
Scrolling
na sa harap.
patiently.
Puti.
It's all the same to me. Just faces on the screen. Yeah. I'm trying
Tan,
to
tan, tan.
realize
Bye.
it's alright to not be
Oh, go to
fine
slide, go.
on your
Ready?
own.
Set. Hawak mo tayo.
Now I'm shaking, drinking all this
One
coffee.
more. Oh, go, go, go,
These
go.
last few weeks have been exhausting.
Go.
I'm lost in my imagination.
Ready?
And there's one thing
Ready?
that I need from you.
Set.
Can you come
Go.
through?
Tumatalon ka eh. Loko. Set. Go.
Yeah. And there's one thing that I need from you.
One more.
Can you come
Ang galing ng ano niya eh.
yeah. And there's one thing that I need from you. Can you
Go, Dave. Come here. One, two, three, go! Sabi saluhin mo. Ready? Set! Go! Mo siya. Hindi kaya. Siyempre. Ano, kaya mo? Sige, kaya mo, Sky. Sige, kaya ikaw, Chancy, kaya mo. Oh, saan ka pupunta? Kay. Loko ka. Baba na, baba. Baba. Kaya mo? Baka madisgrasya ka na ka. Sige. Galing ah. Di kaya. Si Sky kaya kaya. Kain mo. Wala na, sira na diet mo. Kumain ka ng gabi. Babagal lang ang ano mo, metabolism. Ganda, baby. Bagong ligo. Oh. Fresh. Hi, good morning. Happy birthday to you. Ay, wala pa birthday? Meron ako dito, wow. Wow, open. Good morning. Ba. Good morning. Kiss, mommy, kiss. Kiss, mommy. Morning. Our breakfast for our first day in Baguio and today out. Oh, diba? Ako naman ay salad. sit down. May kanin na. Chicken.
You dealing with the body of cars, or you dealing with the past?
Is there?
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love.
Shake it to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Your pussy fat inna your shots.
Oh, you dealing with the boss?
Yeah. Make you come first, coulda never take a last. Yeah. Like a ball pump up the pussy fast. Skin out the pussy for me fuck it. Girl, you make it cocky brad. Original girl, some of them a dinner calf.
And if you